Imagine a world where a simple spice from your kitchen can revolutionize your hair care routine. Intrigued? Meet turmeric, your new hair growth ally. Turmeric, with its powerful antioxidant properties, is not just for curries. Its main ingredient, curcumin, is believed to boost hair health remarkably. Struggling with hair loss? Turmeric might be your answer. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe your scalp and minimize hair loss effects. Dandruff woes? Turmeric's antimicrobial nature can combat those pesky flakes, keeping your scalp healthy and encouraging fresh hair growth. Worried about hair damage? Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that shield your hair from harmful free radicals, ensuring it stays strong and vibrant. Does your scalp tend to get oily? Turmeric can help control oil production, thanks to its antimicrobial properties that keep microorganisms at bay. Better blood circulation means healthier hair. Turmeric boosts blood flow, ensuring your scalp receives the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Whether your hair is thick and oily or thin and dry, turmeric can enhance the overall condition of any hair type. But be cautious. If you have an inflammatory scalp condition, turmeric might enhance the immune response. So monitor your scalp closely. Looking to use turmeric for hair growth? Start with a turmeric and olive oil mask. Equal parts of each, left for 30-45 minutes, can do wonders. Prefer coconut oil? Mix 4 or 5 tablespoons of coconut oil with 2 tablespoons of turmeric oil and let it rest on your hair for the same duration. You can even add turmeric to your shampoo. It boosts antiseptic properties, cleansing the scalp and fighting dandruff. Always dilute turmeric oil with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to prevent staining and potential hair removal. Conduct a patch test before using turmeric oil. Apply a drop on your forearm and check for any allergic reactions after 24 hours. Avoid leaving turmeric in your hair too long, as it can harden and potentially pull out strands. Similar to its use in hair removal, turmeric can be a natural hair care game changer. Enhance your routine for healthier hair and scalp with this powerful spice. Ready to transform your hair care routine? Discover the benefits of turmeric and see the results for yourself. Try it today.